Hey guys, I'm back with a new video and I'm doing a hair review with Julia Hair today. So I basically have been wearing this wig for like a couple of weeks now, and at first I had it as a middle part, but then I just went ahead and I put it as a side part, and I love it so much more, honestly. It looks really, really nice. And I just love the slight wave that this is kind of giving me here. I'm going to basically revive this and just kind of put some curls into it, make it more alive again, because it's been a little bit since I've styled this. I usually just wear it like this because it just looks really nice whenever it's natural. It looks a lot more natural whenever I make my wigs myself. And I used to really suck at making them. Like, I could not construct a wig for my life, to save my life. And so the more I've been doing it, the better I've been getting at it, and I love it so much. It's honestly really flat and it looks really natural looking. I guess for me, I have more control whenever I make my own wigs these days. Some wigs like Hair BB or other companies like Beauty Forever Hair that I've tried out, I personally do love the wigs that they already make, and it's a lot easier as far as customization, of course, but I also like putting in the work and seeing the result that I kind of get from these. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys first how I basically bleached the knots and how I made this wig, and then we're gonna go into specs and also me styling this hair for you guys. I'm actually taking this wig to Japan with me, and I think by the time this video goes up, I'm already going to be in Japan. Also, before the video starts, remember to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Tima Loves Lemons. We are almost at 10K followers, so go ahead and follow me there. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm actually gonna be buying the giveaway presents in Japan, so look forward to that. Make sure to go ahead and look out for that really soon, and yeah, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so here's the cute little box that Julia Hair had sent me, and these are the bundles and what they're looking like. They gave me 3 bundles for these, and it's a body wave Peruvian virgin hair. It looks so freaking soft. Like, once it's outside of the box, I was just like, oh my god, I'm gonna have so much fun playing around with this. Once I washed it, the waves did loosen a little bit, but it looked really cute still. And yeah, I'm still really glad that the hair texture was still there. And then I went on to sewing the wefts onto the wig cap. As you can see here, it was a pretty easy process, and I've showed you guys this before. If you want like a more in-depth video on basically how to install an entire wig, let me know down below. I will go ahead and make that specifically for that in the next video. But I'm just going, you know, around in kind of like a zigzag motion around the wig cap. And that's how I'm putting this whole thing together. I basically kind of put pins in the hair so that everything stays together while I'm sewing it on, and it makes it a lot easier. And look at this hair texture, you guys. It looks so pretty. It was so soft. I don't know what I was watching. I was watching a YouTube video or something. I have no clue. But it looks really nice. And here I was almost done making the wig. I was so tired because there was so much hair. I think I used almost all the 3 bundles on here, maybe 2.5, I think, but yeah. And look, I was finished. I was done kind of sewing everything close to the closure, and it was finished. And this is how the final result looks. I love wavy hair like this. This is one of my favorite wigs that I've made, and yes, this is a middle part wig, but me personally, I just went ahead and I put it on the side. And now I'm just going in and combing out the hair. So we're gonna just try to kind of revamp this and bring it back to life, because I've had it for about a couple weeks now. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in a hair oil from Oral Therapy just to go ahead and soften it up a little bit more, so I can go ahead and put some curls in this and make it look really cute. But before we put the curls in, I'm going to flatten the top because it's lifting up a little bit, and I'm also tapering the bangs just a little bit to frame my face better. And here's the curling process. It took me, I think, around 20 minutes to curl. It wasn't that long, but I didn't put too much effort into it, honestly. I like a loose curl and I like messy ones, so I wasn't about to spend like a whole hour on these. But yeah, it looked really cute in the end. I'm also going in and finger combing the hair. I don't really use a comb that often. Sometimes I do. And I'm also flattening the top once again with the curling iron. I think I put the degrees on at least 410, which is high, but I need this to be pretty hot to do this. So then we're done. Alright you guys, so I just finished styling this wig. It looks really, really cute. I'm definitely going to be wearing it just like this on my trip, just because I feel like the curls are just really effortless, and I don't really put too much into doing it. It's more of like a bump, honestly. So as you can see, the ends here. I'll just give you guys kind of a close-up. So this is how like the ends are looking. The ends are more curled than the top, and I personally prefer that. I did go ahead and I flattened the top just a little bit more than what it was before, and then here I've got my little part going on. So I basically got the Peruvian body wave. Whenever I first got this hair in the mail, I basically saw the waves that it had and it looked really, really great out of the box. Of course, once you go ahead and wash it, it still has waves and everything. The hair is super, super soft. Even after a few weeks and stuff, the hair, I can still run my fingers through it. This is gonna be more of my go-to every day just because it's really soft and it's really easy to put on and it looks really good, and I just love the side part, and I don't usually do side parts, but I'm really interested in this one. So okay, so the bundles that I basically have in right now is a 16-inch closure and then 3 bundles, and it's an 18, 20, and 22, so it is 22 inches for this hair. I think it's a perfect length for me, and I'm honestly not that tall, so I usually go for 22 to 24. 24 is usually the max, or else it just gets a little bit weird looking if it's super, super long for my body. I didn't use a frontal on this wig. This is a closure unit. I personally like wigs that have closures because I feel like it's more stretchy. I feel like out of all of the hair that I've gotten from different companies, I prefer Peruvian just because it's really, really soft, and I just love the body wave that it comes with. They do give you the option of getting like a middle part, a side part, or a 3-part. Yeah, so it's gonna come to $170 even, which is under $200. That's really good for a 22-inch wig that you can make, and plus the hair is really soft and it's really pretty. Of course, like I would, for all of my wigs, if I were you, I would definitely go in and bleach your knots, add an elastic band. This has an elastic band inside that I went ahead and sewed it myself. I get my elastic bands from Michael's, the art supply store, which is really good. I don't experience much shedding with this hair at all. I say that because it's really important because I usually experience some shedding, but even after washing this hair, it has been amazing. Like, and yes, this hair is washed, if you guys want to know. I feel like that's important to some people, if I've washed the hair before a tutorial or not. This hair has been washed. If a wig turns ratty after I wash it, we have a problem. Even after I put in my conditioner, like a hair treatment, stuff like that, I don't want my hair to turn on me like that. So this honestly stayed really well. Yeah. As far as shipping goes, it did not take a long time. This company shipped within a week, so they were really fast. It just took me a long time to film this review because I have so much stuff to do to prepare for my trip. So I'm just now making this video. I feel like that's it for this hair review. I love this hair so much. I was posting on my Insta story and you guys loved how pretty this hair looked. Yeah, thank you Julia Hair for sending me this awesome hair. I will definitely be purchasing from you guys in the future. I'm gonna put the link down to this wig down below, as well as any coupon codes that they're having at this time. And make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and click the notification bell if you want to see all of my updates. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.